What's going on, everybody? All right, so I just left these here and walked away from them. So this is printed. Let's see if it fits the MC. Why do I keep saying MC? MD100. Let's see if it fits. Yep, good to go. All right. So anyway, thank you to the guy that sent me the email for this. It works. I have one similar to it, but I really had to modify it. And this looks like it sets in there good enough. Let's go ahead and just go ahead and change this one. Okay. Let's go ahead and change it so that I can tell you guys whether or not for sure it works. So this one here was for something else. It was for a MC 50 or 60. I can't remember. I think 50. Because I believe the MC 60 is narrower than the 50 as far as the holder goes. And I also experimented with removing the plastic in it to get it to fit, which took quite a bit. But I also experimented with an MC60 microphone holder, and I upscaled it. And where's that one at? Now, I haven't tested it on here, but I can tell you right now, it's a little bit too wide, which means you'd have to put lots of pressure on it. It probably will be difficult to get the screw to go through because the yaesu screw is so small. So, it's not going to reach. If you were going to use that one, you would need to make some changes. I can't tell if this is just the same shape all the way around, but this one here, if I don't drop everything, looks like it's tight enough of a fit to where, nope, doesn't fit on that side. Let me see. Alright, let's set this down. I might have to clearance the plastic a little bit. It's close, but it doesn't fit. So, and you have to have these flush in there. So, it's just off by a little bit. And it looks like it might even be a defect from printing it on its side. I like to print things where the print marks will leave lines in a more appealing way. However, I couldn't get this thing to print except for printing it like that. I wanted to print like that, but I couldn't do it. So, it is what it is. So, I'm just trying to get a little bit of this plastic out of here that might have deposited that shouldn't have, which might be the reason this thing can't go in here. It's very close, very close. So, could be just tolerances, calibration on my printer. But it's close enough. I mean, if you're going to do 3D printing, you're not going to get things to work perfect every time. It's just not going to happen. So I'm just going like this with it. Just trying. I could take a drill bit, but what will happen is the drill bit's not flat. So the drill bit will take out part of the bottom while I try and widen the upper part. So we don't want to do that. It's extremely close. Where's my flat blade screwdriver? Did I just crack this thing? Oh, no. No. I thought I heard it crack. It's almost close enough, I think, that I might be able to compression fit it. Yep. Cool deal. Let me set this thing down over here so I can use 2 screwdrivers. Right now I'm tightening it up and it's, you know, squishing into the plastic a little bit, so bear with me. Okay, so we've got that there. I don't know if I put it in here backwards. So it sits right about there with this one. I'm going to go ahead and put that there. This is the microphone I still have to work on. There's something up with the switch. But yeah, that's cool. I really appreciate it. So, perfect. Now if we can print one that looks kind of like the original. See, so if I take the file he sent me and then start screwing around with it in CAD, I gotta learn how to do FreeCAD. It's gonna be fun. Let me show you. So, what we want to do is make one that looks like that. And we could take the dimensions of this one and just change a few things. And we can kind of copy something that's very close. So, very cool. The factory one also sits back quite a bit further. Oh, I did break it. Okay, so I already broke it. So, and usually, this PET G doesn't crack, but if you do this with PLA, it would definitely crack. So, I'll have to make another one another time, but yeah, so anyway, it cracked, so I don't know. Probably be fine for a little while. Yeah, see this one? I literally had to go all the way through on one side and then that side. And that works. So, yeah, unfortunately I cracked this. So, maybe my print temperatures might have something to do with it. I don't know. But we're going to go ahead and we'll just put that one on there. We'll put this back up on the shelf. And we'll do another one another time. So, I should have. I thought that the PET G would squish down, but apparently it will not. Get these little hairline cracks there. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.